beauties, it's me, Alegra. I'm hopping on today with a testing out new makeup 2024 video, and I'm hoping to do a full face of Charlotte Tilbury because I do have new makeup from Charlotte Tilbury to test out. I did a huge Charlotte Tilbury haul, so I figured this would be the perfect time to test everything out with you beauties. I am so excited myself. I'm truly addicted to Charlotte Tilbury at this point in time. So let's go ahead and dive right in. I cannot wait to show you what I got and to see how it performs. So one of the first things that I'm so excited about is these brushes here. I ordered a brush set from Charlotte Tilbury. Now I have a lot of Charlotte Tilbury brushes and I love them all, but I usually just purchase them individually. But they had this set here that came with the bag. So I figured this would be the perfect time to pick up these brushes. So you're getting face brushes, sculpting brushes. This is a foundation brush that I've never seen before from Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm very excited to test this out today. And then there are some eyeshadow brushes as well in this collection and smudger brush. And then there's a lip brush, which looks very interesting. So because I love my Charlotte Tilbury lip products, so I'm really excited to test the brush with her products because will they come out even more amazing? Charlotte Tilbury lips, I can't imagine, but let's try it out. So I did get a bunch of stuff in my Charlotte Tilbury haul, so I'm just going to be going through everything while we test it out. Now, this is not new, but this is a product that I repurchased because I absolutely love it. So I definitely wanted to get another one. And let me see, is there yeah, it's sealed, I think, inside. But, or is it? This is the Invisible UV Flawless Poreless Primer SPF 50. So yeah, it must be sealed. So that's why I love this. First of all, I love it for the SPF 50, but then I loved the effect that it made under the makeup. It truly does make you look poreless and just absolutely glowing. So I love this. This is my maybe third purchase of this product. So I'm so happy that I got another one. I'm just going to take out a small amount and just smooth it all over. So then I also did get a Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette that I never had before, so I thought that'd be super fun to test out with you beauties and again just do a full face of Charlotte Tilbury. I actually do have on right now the Charlotte Tilbury color corrector, which is so amazing. I was never anticipating that I would love it as much as I do, but it's actually a color corrector. So I get the shade 1. It's an amazing eyeshadow primer. I do have it on my eyes now because before I put on the shadow. And, you know, I don't feel like you even need concealer after. It's very, you know, it does all the work for you. So I actually love the effect that it makes because it's weightless and it looks very natural, but yet it covers the dark circles. It will conceal them. And again, it feels weightless on your skin. So I do have that on right now. This is it here. It comes in a small little, you know, compact, but that's it. Or maybe there's a larger one. Maybe I got the mini. I'm not sure. If there's a larger one, I definitely will get the larger one next time. I'm just going to put a little bit more on just to show you how amazing it is. So I really couldn't believe my eyes. I actually took a course, a master class with this makeup artist, and he was using this. So that's how I found out about it because I never heard about this product before, but he actually does amazing makeup. I'll link him down below. So I absolutely love this. I could not recommend it more. And again, it makes an amazing eyeshadow base as well. So I also did pick up the new Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Island Glow. These are tanning drops that you mix in with your moisturizer. So I'm not going to be able to test this out today, but I will be back and we will test this out. Maybe, you know, more like a skincare routine. I do have so much Charlotte Tilbury skincare. So I'll definitely, maybe we'll do my Charlotte Tilbury skincare routine because I've been using primarily almost all Charlotte Tilbury skincare products and I absolutely love them. So that's why I was really excited to try her newest product. So we'll do that another day. So here I have the Charlotte Tilbury Luxury Palette. And let's see here, is that the name of this or is that, I think that's just the name of the collection, but let me see here. Let's go ahead and open it. Yeah, this is the Pillow Talk version of the luxury palette because there are more different palettes to choose from. There are several palettes in this collection, I guess, to choose from. So here it is. I've never tried this palette and I'm very excited. I have my new brush here that came in the brush kit. So let's go ahead and just sweep this lightest shade right here all over the crease area. Oh, this brush is really nice. It's very firm and it provides beautiful coverage. So it covered a large area of my eye very quickly. Oh, the tip is actually very precise though. Even though it is large, in size, it's actually very precise. Wow. I don't even know that I need to do. I mean, this is amazing. And I am going to LA soon, so that's why I got this because I figured it'd be great to travel with. And I definitely think this will be perfect. It can fit easily in your makeup bag and you can do lots of different looks on the go. So this is gorgeous. Wow. I can't believe how smooth and creamy. And then also in that brush kit that I purchased came this eyeshadow smudger brush. So very excited to try this. I'm going to take the next deepest shade in the palette and go ahead and just put it in the outer V. I have another Charlotte Tilbury smudger brush and it is so amazing. If you love to do smoky eyes or, you know, just smudge out your liner, it's just perfection. So glad I got it. Well, this one's a little thicker than the other one that I have. I believe that one is more tapered, but they're both just perfection. You can do your makeup so quick and easily with these brushes, and this palette just makes it so easy. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this more rosy tone and just put that right on the lid. So beautiful. It's just a wash of a shimmer. So it's not too chunky. It's just beautiful. And then I'll just use the smudger brush again and just put a little bit of this lightest shade here in the tear duct area and just blend it inwards. That's so gorgeous. Actually, I'll put some on the brow bone too. You know what I really love about these? These shadows are so effortless. And then I'll bring back a little bit of that first color, but this is perfection. I love this. This is makeup that just, you just feel so good about yourself. And you know, I'm going to be going out in LA to different parties and dinners, and you just feel like your makeup is so well blended. It looks like you had your makeup done professionally by a makeup artist. It is definitely luxurious looking. And I'm just going to smudge some of that same color under my lashes. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yeah, that's where this brush really shines, on your lower lashes. So now I have here the new Charlotte Tilbury Unreal Skin Sheer Glow Tint Foundation Stick. So I've been wearing this almost every day now and I really truly love it. And even though it's very hot where I'm at, you know, it does stay feeling kind of moisturized. So I wouldn't say I feel oily or greasy or uncomfortable, but you definitely feel the moisture on your skin. I mean, and that could be from the humidity too. So I'm not sure if it's the product. I would love to find out in the winter. I'll definitely be using it in the winter, I think, because I just love the effect that it creates. It just gives you such a gorgeous glow to your skin. So I'm going to test it out today with this new foundation brush that I got from Charlotte Tilbury. So I have to say, just off my initial impressions, but this one just seemed to have blended the foundation in a second. This one definitely, I think it just blended the foundation in almost instantaneously. I do have the other one here if you guys want to see a comparison. But can you believe this does have coverage? It's very natural, weightless, effortless, skin-like, but it definitely will conceal if you have dark circles. It will do some concealing and it just gives you a beautiful glow. So I haven't really, you know, I've seen a lot of people doing reviews on this, but I was so busy, I haven't had time to watch other reviews. So here's the other brush. Yeah, this brush is amazing because it does have the dual end for contouring, for doing, if you want to do concealer with this, it's amazing. But, you know, this brush, I have to say, this one blended faster. That was this is amazing. This one just needs maybe an extra 2 or 3 taps, whereas this one seemed to do it in 1 tap. So how amazing is that? Yeah, I love this. So, you know, I'm so surprised because I do have oily skin. I do hate to feel oily. I do hate to feel greasy, but I love the way this looks and I love the way it even feels. See, even now I think you can see the radiance, but once you get into it, you're here for it. You love it. I do. I love it. I think it's very youthful and just beautiful and it feels good. So I love it. So then I do have here also the new Island Glow Lip and Cheek Tint. So this is a weightless cream lip and cheek blush tint. So let's go ahead and test it out. You know, maybe I'll use this brush again to try it out. So hopefully, I don't know, hopefully it's not too pigmented, but I did a swatch with my finger, but I've never put this on my face. So yeah, look at how pigmented. I'm scared, you guys, because you know, some of these blush tints, these cream blushes are madness. Oh, okay. No, that's gorgeous. Wow, that's beautiful. I shouldn't have been afraid because Charlotte Tilbury, you know, I feel like she just does the most beautiful makeup. So I shouldn't be surprised. Look at how gorgeous. It's very gel-like, sheer. It doesn't apply to your skin too pigmented. It applies like a wash immediately. It looks like very youthful. This is very beautiful. This is very lit from within, bubblegum pink. I was expecting it to be more a hot pink. That's another thing I wasn't really sure about, but this is actually more like a baby pink, that Dior pink that is so beautiful. So this is amazing. I actually just got this. I never thought I would like it this much, but this is seriously the best one that I tried so far because I do have a lot of these blush tints, and so I wasn't really sure if I needed it, but I am glad that I got this because this is something I want to wear every day. So it wasn't just for testing purposes. So I'm just going to try it on the lip. Wow, that is so beautiful. Again, I was just really thinking it was going to be much more of a fuchsia shade, hot pink, but I hope you guys can see, but it's not. It's just beautiful. Wow, how gorgeous. You know, I was gonna wear my Iconic Nude, I thought, but I don't think Iconic Nude would go good with this. Probably the original Pillow Talk would look good with this, so I'm gonna use that instead. You know, beauties, I was gonna put on some of this Charlotte Tilbury Radiant Concealer, but I don't even think I needed it. What do you guys, should we try it just for fun? But I don't think that I even need it. And normally I wouldn't even try this. I'm only trying it just to try it with you guys, but otherwise I feel like I was ready to go. So I'm going to use that dual-ended brush again. I'm going to use the smaller tapered side and just press it in. That, oh wow, that's gorgeous. I didn't think I needed it, but it is brightening, so it looks very nice. This product is also so creamy that it pairs well with this foundation because both are just so creamy and just it's not tight or dry on your skin at all, so the whole effect stays creamy and beautiful. I feel like it kind of took away my blush though, and I want that blush. I want that blush back because I love that color. So let's bring the blush back because it's beautiful. And now also in my brush kit that I purchased came this large size face brush. So I'm just going to take some Hollywood Flawless Filter powder and just work the brush into it, and just let's set the foundation, just set everything with a nice little wash of powder here now. So I also have this brush here. This is a sculpting brush that came in the brush set. So it's called the Powder and Sculpt. So here it is. I'm going to try it with this powder because this looks like it'll be a dream to get under the eye because it's very angled. So yes, look at that. That just fits under the eye so perfectly. Wow. So they did send me this nice little sample size, but it's a beautiful size, you know, large size, great for travel, of the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. So let me go ahead and spray some of this on. And then now we can put on the lip. So I do have on already the Island Glow lip and cheek tint. Beautiful. I'm just going to add a little bit of lip liner. And then I think they sent me a beautiful size sample of Collagen Lip Bath and Seduction. So I'll just try that and put that on top. So yeah, I was gonna use the Pillow Talk, but I actually can't find it. It's in one of my purses. So I just used Iconic Nude, but actually it looks really pretty. So it's a nice contrast. And then here is this new, I think it's a lip bath and seduction. I think it was maybe a deluxe size sample. They have so many great gifts. I think right now I'm eligible to get the bronzer, the large size bronzer. I think it looks large size with the points. So when you go to the Charlotte Tilbury app, that's where they have these kits and these app exclusives, and they give you a lot of special gifts when you purchase from the app. So they sent me this. So let's go ahead and test it. That's how I actually got the brushes. I'm not sure if the brushes are available at Sephora, but they are on the app. Oh, I forgot you guys, they gave in the brush kit this lip brush. So actually I'll try this out with it. It does feel so good, you guys. So beauties, this is the finished look. I absolutely love everything that I picked up on my haul. I actually got a bunch more stuff. Let me know if you want to see it in a separate video, but I did get the magic serum and I got so much stuff, but I wanted to actually show you guys. I didn't unbox this yet, or I didn't open it. So look at how pretty this is. Wow. And then I think, oh my gosh, how beautiful. And then let's see, I think there's really nice dividers in here. That's why I really wanted this. So I figured when I'm traveling, it'd be easy. Yes, it'd be easy to have everything organized because it has all of these dividers. So I'm going to put lip products or eyeshadow products, face products. Oh my goodness, this is amazing because actually, you know what? That foundation is going to fit perfectly in here because it's in a stick form. So I'm definitely going to be putting that in here. Look at that. Wow. I love Charlotte Tilbury. I just feel like she thinks of everything. I mean, look at this. This is perfection. So there you go. Everything is organized, and I need organization in my life desperately. Actually, and then I'm gonna put all the brushes in one. So I really needed this. This is such a godsend. So love the lips and the lipstick and all that. And then actually they also gave this, as I believe this was a gift or purchase. Let's open this. It says, "Give a woman the right makeup and she can conquer the world." That is so nice. That is so nice. Let's see. Oh, it's fabric. I wasn't expecting that. Oh, it's a nice kind of denim material. Oh, wow. That is really nice because I thought it was going to be plastic, which there's nothing wrong with plastic, but this feels very luxurious. So I am so happy with everything that I got. I love these brushes. Still am in love with this foundation. I think I will love it forever because it just feels so good on your skin. And I love the effect that it gives, and it feels so weightless and skin-like, and it's beautiful, and it just really, it's a confidence booster because you just feel like your skin looks so good. So I love this, and I love shopping on the app. I think this was another giftable purchase that they gave me, magic serum, crystal elixir. There's just so much stuff here. That's why I'm so happy I got this. I mean, I'm already started organizing. Love this. So let me know if you love Charlotte Tilbury makeup as much as I do. What are your favorites from Charlotte Tilbury? Let me know down below. And that's pretty much it. I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.